facing struggle to overcome with the dehydration or the hot.
They are also giving energy drinks.
Yeah, so I think if I can be banned, and they might ban ourselves as well, because if I have given interview in our channel and try to perform his duty as powerfully as before.
Fakhr just lost his wicket at the moment.
Fakhr just loses so
Almost 6 runs away from 50.
Shahin has also got the point that he should abide by making himself, representing himself as all.
So there are lots of discussion happening in sport and television today. How do you tell me?
May good Akib, God is so kind. What about you?
Well, Tahir Bhai, third day of Olympiad in FCC. How do you see this time?
Yeah.
And you were saying that this event was held a little bit of a wrong time due to heat waves and all.
But Akib, the main thing, the success behind this tournament is all our young blood. In young blood, your body is tamed for facing the hardest condition, whether it is cold season or hot season. That's why these are youngsters. I haven't seen even a single youngster who was just facing struggle to overcome with the dehydration or the hot.
They are also giving energy drinks.
Yeah, so I think it was a very good tournament because we seen young guns from the different institute came here to showcase their skill sets in the field of sports. It was a very good season.
Apparently, as we were talking about sports in India-Pakistan conflict, some of our Pakistani YouTubers channels have you shared the news have been banned in India. Ifi Bhai is particularly one of them. And he's a lot of stress these days because Ifi Bhai is not a fan in India. Even for Khan Bhatti, another one.
Ifi Bhai is our hard favorite guest. I still remember.
No doubt he is hard, but he is kind from heart.
Yeah, okay, he is harsh, but his heart is clean. Heart is washed. So, but I don't think so. Okay, why Indian have taken very hard?
What kind of?
Because I think the main reason Indian have taken this step is because the huge audience of the FCY belongs to India. I think they might have done this. I'm also afraid that India might not ban our channel as well in India. If FCY can be banned, and they might ban ourselves as well, because FCY has given interview in our channel. So I think again we should also be very careful. But as far as the country is concerned,
with this conflict must end.
We won't tolerate that.
This conflict has to end.
Yeah.
And Tahir Bhai, how do you see PSL match obviously happening? Fakhr Fauji is in blazing form. He's smashing sixes. How do you see this? Obviously, he's playing with his home crowd as well.
As far as Fakhr is concerned, Fakhr is also struggling for success. He has been out of the team just because of
he had injury
and due to some other clashes as well, due to the board management as well. So Akib, it's also a very welcoming tournament, welcoming tournament for the Fakhr as well, to prove his form as well, so the selectors can pick him as a top notch in the Pakistani team.
So that way, one stage you're saying about Fakhr, the other stage Babar is wasting this tournament. How do you think that?
Yeah,
because Rizwan is getting us, Babar is failing consistently.
Akib, it's a very hard wrenching when we see Babar is not performing well and struggling for success. So I think Akib Babar should pull his
He's a pillar of Pakistani team.
Yeah, he should pull his hopes up and try to perform his duty as powerfully as before.
And then lastly, before we close this video, you also shared a statement of Ramiz Raja and Shaheen Afridi, where Shaheen Afridi said to Ramiz Raja that we need to work and improve on everything in the coming game. How do you say this? Even though Lahore is winning, but Shaheen is still...
It's like a very bold and unique and reality-based statement given by Shaheen. Because if you see that not only Lahore, Qalandar, Islamabad United, I'm talking about our whole Pakistani team. Our whole team is struggling in every aspect, whether it's bowling, batting, or fielding as well. So I think I am totally agree with Shaheen, and after a long time, I think maybe first time Shaheen has given such a good statement in which I am here to salute.
As we're talking, Fakhr just lost his wicket at the moment.
Fakhr just loses
almost 6 runs away from 50.
Oh, it's a very hard wrenching, but again, I am very thankful for fan that was in love with our channel and it's
as we're talking about Shaheen before conclude, do you see a change in his behavior? So basically a change in his behavior since he said that he's not involved in any sort of politics and he's focusing on his game, becoming a fast bowler. Now he doesn't even claim himself as an all-rounder. Before he used to call him that time and all.
Akib, I think the reason why he is not owing himself as a regular all-rounder because Akib, public pressure that Shaheen, you are supposed to be a fast bowler.
He called himself a premium fast bowler.
And you are turning out to be an all-rounder. So I think Shaheen has also got the point that he should abide by representing himself as an all-rounder. Otherwise, public won't tolerate him.
Thank you so much for sharing tomorrow. We'll try to share the video. Like and subscribe to Sports of More Content. This is still news from me. By side, for yourself.